Hi everyone, Michael from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au. So they've finally arrived. We've been promising these since August, I think, last year. The 1/20th Gold Tiger is in stock. They have arrived. You'll see them up on the website. There'll be a link below. Just remember with the 1/20th, just to give you a size perspective, that's my hand, that's the size of it. Don't expect them to be the size of a 1 ounce. Every so often people are a bit freaked out by how small they are. But remember, they do only weigh about 1.5 grams. They're back in stock. You'll see the link below, so you'll be able to buy them now. We don't actually know if we'll be able to get them in or how frequently we'll be able to get them in this year, because obviously production is a bit of an issue over there. So we have them in stock now. We have a limited number. If you want the 1/20th, grab them while you can. They're a great present. So yeah, it's a great time to buy them if you want them. I'm not guaranteeing them in for the rest of the year though. All right, that's it for now. Just wanted to let you know they were here.